Menteri Rangba ka Sorkar Jela Conrad ke Sangma habawan penha perdaya ka jingle kemendap arpusan senam ka Thomas Jones Senior College Jowai hakasan tarik unailar arhajar arhoa ula Pynbna ru ba Shen en Ithuh no ekanika college kum ka People's College na markat kum ka jing Shakri jongka hakaban ajing nang jing start kalong ka we ka badai hok ban yo wala 4 la ban pentikna ka por na marbadang ya chakmat ban pet cheki we pat ki jaka Hendrai ratikna bahaka kenti baar banjit eki college ka Thomas Jones Senior College kan sadan haka thop jongka People's College kabama u bad menteri katnat puli puthi kila dap ban ya menjur ulak menrumboi menteri katnat puli puthi uong ka puli puthi kamde ka kam ka pasok ka sorkar bamenta kala persha ban kenti ka jingnang jing start haka jela lengba kinau hikai bala sha pentebet ban snai ki ying school ban penlong ki school bayat bet ya renti bat kiwei Kiwi pat ba ajing kran kan thubi wailat miki Shilla MLA ka second Jowai u Dr. DG Lingdo Principal Tjsc u Reverend GS Laitan Moderator KGP Sinat Mingi kam Chairman Governing Body Tjsc bat kiwi haka jingelang ba penya de UWEH Lamin Convener Silver Jubilee Celebration rengkat ka jingadon lang u CEM ka JHADC u Thombor Shiwan u SP ka West Janta Hills u BD Marak UPK Boro ADC West Janta Hills ki pastor kinoyalam niam baper kino hikai bat kiwe bashakhot singobha hakani kasngi menteri rangba ula pleru eka science block building kabala pentrei lengba ka jingyo yara pisa naka rashtriya uchatar shiksha abhiyan rusa
that you've been doing out here, the contribution you've made to the society and what you've achieved in the last 25 years without any support except internally through the governing body and the church is just amazing. And this cannot be done without the kind of passion that would require to do this. A lot of challenges must have come, I can't even imagine them. But here you are today completing 25 years, looking back at history and saying, wow, no matter what happened, we made it and we are here today. And therefore I take this opportunity to congratulate every single individual, every single member of the governing body, every single faculty, every single student, every single parent that has contributed to making Thomas Jones Synod College what it is today. And in spite of the challenges, you have done it. And what I would like to share with you is that you need to now chalk out your plan for the next 25 years. I've always told any organization or any meeting that I go to, never have small goals. Your goals should be big goals. You may not achieve them, but if you set your standards low, then you're already achieving lesser than what maybe you can. I tell people that today we had 50 years of Meghalaya statehood. I'm thinking of how Meghalaya should be at 75, 100 and even at 200. That one of the strengths of this state of ours and the country is our youth. But if we are not careful on how and where this youth is going to, what direction they're moving towards, if we don't mold them, if we don't shape them in the right direction, things can get very difficult for a state and for a country. And therefore this resource, I call the youth as our resource. I call the youth as our strength. And it is the responsibility of the society, the government to create the right environment to be able to direct your energy, channelize your energy for the right things. And that is the third reason why I always want to be with the youth and connect, because I realize the importance that the youth has. Thomas Jones will be in that list for the People's College. So the Honourable Education Minister and myself have reviewed it, and we strongly feel that this college deserves it. We can't put a time frame to it right now because we are still working on many other areas, and we feel that these are the areas that require support. Higher technical education does not have the kind of support that we require in the whole state, and therefore we are very keen to see that a lot of areas which are, I shouldn't say neglected, but do not have sufficient avenues for the youngsters, we are very keen to ensure that those areas also are covered, and hence We are not putting a time frame, but I can tell you that in the list that will come out, the second phase of People's College, Thomas Jones College, Synod College will be there in that list. This is something that the Education Minister also has approved, and we also at the CM Secretariat, I also have approved it, and accordingly we'll be taking up when we take up the whole list together.